Alright guys, so today we're going to be replacing a battery in a 2016 to 2021 Toyota Prius key fob. And it's pretty easy, you don't need any special tools. I just have this little screwdriver to help me out a little bit, and I also have a brand new battery, which is a 2032. You're going to need one of those. Basically there's this little clip on the bottom, you just move it over. That releases a key, which if you didn't know also gets you into the car if your key fob dies. And basically just stick it back in the hole it came out of, and it'll allow you to separate the key fob. And then there's a spot right there, and you just stick it right in. She pops out, and you stick your new battery in, and then you just simply click it back together and stick your key back in. And you have a fresh battery in your key fob for your 2016 to 2021 Prius. If this helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, leave a comment if it helped, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.